Welcome to Linux Help. Today we're gonna see how to install MinIO on Oracle Linux 8.8. MinIO is a highly performance software-defined object storage system released under the GNU Alfred General Public License v3 and is compatible with Amazon S3 Cloud Storage API. It can be used to build a high-performance infrastructure for machine learning, analytics, and option data processing workload. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 8.8. Next, I am going to add a MinIO user by using the following command. Next, I am going to create a directory by using the following command. Next, go to the bin directory by using the following command. Next, I am going to download the MinIO using the following command in /opd/minio/bin directory. Next, I am going to set MinIO to execute using the following command. Next, I am going to ensure all the files are owned by MinIO in /opd/minio by using the following command. Next, I am going to create a MinIO configuration file by using the following command. Add the following lines. Save and exit from the file. Next, I am going to add the MinIO systemd service file by using the following command. Add those following lines. Save and exit from the file. Next, I am going to disable the firewall and AC Linux by using the following command. Next, I am going to enable and start the MinIO service and check the status of MinIO by using the following command. MinIO service is active and running. Next, I am going to take a note of your MinIO access key and secret key by using the following command. After restart the MinIO service by using the following command. Once complete above step, go to the browser. Type the IP address with the port number. The MinIO default port number is 9000. Enter access key. This is the dashboard of MinIO. This is the process to install MinIO on Oracle Linux 8.8.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.